everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I have a apparel review. So I really wanted for so long to get a really nice good quality pair of tights. Now you guys know I'm a thick bitch. I need something that's gonna suck me in, cover up my ass, and not show my freaking undies. So I splurged and got the Lorna Jane. What are these ones? These are the XL pocket full length tight. I got them in a size large, so I am a size 14, so I wanted to see what the size large was like. I did actually go in the store and try it on a similar pair, but these ones have pockets because I wanted to put my phone in something, so I'm really excited. These are actually 120.99 New Zealand dollars. They are very expensive. In US dollars, I think that they're cheaper. I'm not sure. Let's get everything on there. And it says this garment is made from LJXL. LJXL represents our exclusive range of high-tech performance fabrics. These trademarked materials are designed for high-intensity activities and contain the following properties: shrink and fade resistant, anti-pulling and moisture wicking, quick drying and breathable, durable and long-lasting, four-way stretch for support. And then it says, these full-length tights have been designed with function, comfort, and cardio in mind. Feature an invisible heat-sealed phone pocket and a flattering high waistband for additional support. The LJXL fabric allows you to perform at your best. So it's got stretch fabric, it's for gym, interval training, high-impact cardio, moisture wicking, and breathable active core stability. Well, I just wanted some leggings that looked good so I can go for walks and don't have to worry about all my body rolls coming out. I wanted something that's shapely and nice and made me feel good, so I got these. Oh my god, they're so black as well. Oh my god, I'm so freaking excited. So this is the back of them. It says Lorna Jane there, so I can be the brand whore that I've always wanted to be. Now, don't get me wrong, I am used to going to Kmart and spending $12 on my leggings. I do not splurge like this. This is a big splurge for me because normally I just don't spend money on clothes. I buy cheap clothes, I go to thrift stores, I don't buy brand new luxury items, so at least it's Jeffree Star. So getting these is pretty big. So this is the nice waistband here, this is the butt end, and that is the front there. And then the side here has got the little phone pocket. That's so cool. Oh my god, there's one for each side, keys and phone. Hello, amazing. Alright, and then the bottom of them has the reflective design on as well. So stretch wise, they look like they'd be pretty stretchy. They feel like a thick fabric, but I can't see through them at all. So I wonder if they're going to be really hot. It says they're real breathable, so I'm really excited to see. And I want to see how my body looks afterwards, if I look nice and snatched in them or what. So without further ado, I'll stop rambling and let's try these on. So this is me in my exercise shirt and my shorts. Just cash shorts. You can see how much my body is sticking out. And everything like that. So we'll see how these shorts shape me and make me look. Alright, well I'm just going to try these on, but I'm not going to be able to let you see me actually put them on, but I want you to get my reaction as I put them on. And the inside there is a bunch of tags, so I'm just going to rip them all out there. I think they're all designed to rip off, which is awesome because these are ripping off very easily, and they all say tear here as well. Cool. Alright, now I'm ready to put these on my body. Alright, so front. Alright, let's get one leg in. They are nice and tight, like they feel really like, what do you call it? Ugh. Let me fall over for a minute. They feel real supportive. Alright. Just gotta hoist them up. Ugh. So I think a size large is good for me because they are nice and tight, but almost like not necessarily hard to get on, but like they make you feel like you've... Alright, how am I feeling? They feel very comfortable. Oh, I look snatched. You guys can't even see anything, so let me turn the camera around. Alrighty, so this is them on, and safe to say they are pretty comfortable. I don't think that they're... I think the most tiniest bit see-through. I can kind of see my undies through there. Yep, a little bit see-through. Just a little bit, just so you guys know. Alright, and that's the front. I actually feel like I could comfortably like wear a crop top with this and it wouldn't look so crazy. Like, I'm just loving like the crotch. Look at that. There's just no camel toe. Alright, I'm feeling snatched in these. Yep, no, these are nice and comfortable. Sucking everything. And let's try this little phone hole. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's going all the way down my leg. Look at that. All the way down my leg. Check that out. Oh, these holes do go for days. Look at this. What? Oh my god, that's so awesome. Yes, no, these are so super comfortable. Like, I'm comfy, I'm cozy, I feel supported. I feel like I could go out in these and no one's gonna be like, oh my god, she's wearing sports pants. I'm like, hi, how are you going? Alrighty, so what do I think of these leggings? Ooh. I think these are freaking awesome. I'm legit sitting like this and actually comfortable. Like, it is giving me so much range and I feel sucked in. They are nice. I do have my big thigh tattoo here and you actually can't see it though, so that's how I know they're not super duper see-through. Like, of course, if you bend over, all leggings are going to be see-through, but you can't see my actual tattoos through the pants, which I think is a really, really cool feature. I think that's awesome. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So yeah, what do I think of these leggings? I think that they are amazing. They're comfortable. Me as a thick girl, I'm feeling comfortable. I'm feeling confident in these, and they have so much, like, I'm just like, yes, there's so much suction in there as well, and I feel like it's just sucking you right in. Like, I honestly feel like I could wear a crop top and I wouldn't look stupid, which is crazy because I am not someone to wear a crop top at all, and I actually feel like I'd be comfortable in one if I just wore a nice crop t-shirt and these leggings. Like, I feel like I'd look freaking good. So what do I think of these leggings? I think, legitimately, if you do not have a pair of expensive high-end leggings for either leisure, sports, whatever, I think you honestly should get a pair because I'm like actually living for these. I think they're freaking awesome. Like, I'm just like, I'm comfortable, you know? I'm comfortable, I look good, they are nice and warm, they'll be great for winter, and I do feel like they're very breathable in the sweaty areas, you know what I mean? I literally had to put a crop top on because I was so freaking excited. Like, look how cute this is! Oh my god, I've never been able to wear crop tops. Like, I look cute, okay? Like, she's, like, I am obsessed. This is cute as. I'm like, I would wear this out confidently and not feel, like, worried. I think I look cute. Amazing. Amazing. Love it. Love it. Hello. Yes. So I accidentally put them on inside out, and on the inside is a little heart. Look how cute that is. It's just like a little heart. I know, I was like, oh my god, I'm wearing my pants inside out, but if you are a plus size person, if you are any size person, if you got a booty and a tummy and you want to hide it, these are amazing. They make me look good. Okay, my confidence, like all my Christmas, like, weight is just gone. I'm snatched, like, look at me now. I'm obsessed. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want me to do any more reviews on anything, let me know in the comments down below and I'll see if I can get my hands on it. I'm like sweating from doing all this jumping in them, but my legs ain't sweaty, so that's how you know these are freaking good. So until next time, I love you guys so much and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!